My video guide is about removing the unwanted browser extension that is called Zip Like App Pro. Zip Like App Pro is a special extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that it helps to extract and compress files like a professional. The point is that this particular extension is often spread through integration with many free applications. In many cases, people just download and install it pretty unintentionally. So this is why it is correctly classified as a potentially unwanted program. In case this extension was mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser, you should undertake the measures and get rid of it from the Google Chrome. So access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find this extension, disable and remove the extension completely. Now, to make sure that your device is free of any other threats, I recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and begin researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.